Hi, I'm Amy Casey of Amy Casey Cooks, and I'm back with another cooking tip for you today. I love cooking with fresh herbs, but a lot of times I really don't need a lot, and then I end up with a big bunch that just gets wilty and I toss it out. So today I have a tip on how to keep your herbs fresh so you can use them for a week, week and a half, maybe even up to 2 weeks. So when you get your parsley, if it starts to wilt like this, see how it's all sad looking? Put it into a glass of water, just like this, and they're just like flowers, and it will perk right back up. You can keep it on your counter, like I said, for a week, week and a half. You can toss it into soups and stews, chop it up and put it in salad, put it on top of an entree that you made, put a little bit on your plate when you're eating dinner, make you feel like you're at a restaurant. And that way, your herbs will stay nice and fresh, and you can use them all week long. I'm Amy Casey. Happy cooking.